What's up guys, in this video let's have a look at the splash water test on the HUAWEI HONOR 9 Lite and see if all those splashes causes any kind of damage to the device. Starting with the display on this dual-sided glass device, let's check out the resistance of the oleophobic coating against water. The presence of an oleophobic layer on the glass helps in repelling water and reduces fingerprint smudges. Thereafter we will do some light splashes and then proceed to some heavy splashing. The HONOR 9 Lite has no water resistance, so let's find out to what extent it survives or gets damaged. These tests are performed on purpose to know what happens to your device, so that you don't have to find out the hard way if you happen to wet your device by accident. On initial inspection after all the splashing, everything seems to work fine as you can see. Even the audio from the external speakers recovered within a few seconds. But only a few minutes after the test, the HONOR 9 Lite started having random reboots at irregular intervals. It took about 40 long minutes for the automatic reboots to stop and go back to normal, during which there were about 8 to 9 weird reboots in total. The HONOR 9 Lite can easily survive few minor splashes, but beyond that it can get severely damaged. Stay tuned for more interesting tech stuff and some free coupon codes for top tech products in my next video. Make sure to press like, the free subscribe button and the bell icon. Thanks for watching, keep the peace, catch you next time.